Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ashish Panchal, your biology NEET guru from त्रिशा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बायोलॉजी। बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन के और रिप्रोडक्शन इन ह्यूमन। तो जैसे हमने 11th में ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी पढ़ा, सो ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी में डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पढ़ा, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, नर्वस सिस्टम, लोकोमोशन, स्केलेटल सिस्टम, देन एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम एंड दी नर्वस सिस्टम। सारे के सारे सिस्टम मेल और फीमेल दोनों में सिमिलर इन स्ट्रक्चर एंड दी फंक्शन। सिर्फ एक ही सिस्टम ऐसा है जो मेल एंड फीमेल में डिफरेंट है, दैट इज रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। दैट स्ट्रक्चरली एंड द फंक्शनली बोथ आर डिफरेंट इन द मेल एंड फीमेल। हाउ द मेल एंड द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इज डिफरेंट structurally? So structurally, male and the female reproductive system are differ. The male reproductive system consists of the pair of testes and scrotum bag. It has the scrotum bag. Second, it possesses the pair of testes. Third, it possesses the epididymis. Fourth, it possesses the vas deferens. Vas deferens. Then fifth, it possesses the urethra, and sixth, it possesses the penis. Apart from this, it has the various gland, okay, the accessory gland. So there are three main glands are there. One is the prostate gland, seminal vesicle, and bulbourethral gland. Okay, so these are the part of the male reproductive system, and in female reproductive system consist of the female reproductive system consists of the pair of ovary. Also, it has the pair of fallopian tube. Fallopian tube. Then it has the uterus. Okay. Then vagina. And external genitalia, and then external genitalia has the labia minora, then labia majora, then clitoris, okay, then mons pubis. So these are the external genitalia, and the mammary gland, accessory gland is the mammary gland. It has the mammary gland. Okay, so structurally male and the female reproductive system are different. Now how the functionally they are different? So functionally the male and the female reproductive system are different. Functionally, the first male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is responsible for the gametogenesis. It helps in the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means formation of the gametes, particularly sperm cell. So it helps in the formation of gamete, particularly it is the sperm cell. Then the second function is insemination. Insemination. Now what is insemination? Insemination means discharge of semen into female reproductive tract. It is known as the insemination. So insemination means discharge the semen into female reproductive tract during sexual intercourse. So during the sexual intercourse, the male partner ejaculate the semen in the female reproductive tract. That is known as the insemination. Then in the female, the functions of female body is it also help in gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means the formation of gametes, and particularly it is ovum. Also it help in the fertilization. Fertilization means the fusion of the male and the female gamete. Fertilization means the fusion of male and female gamete. Once the male and the female gamete is fused and it formed, वो क्या बनाएंगे? It formed the zygote. Okay. Now this zygote is undergoing the division and it formed the blastocyst. This blastocyst is stick to the wall of uterus. It is known as the implantation. So now the third function is implantation. Okay. So in implantation, okay, it's a zygote divide and it formed blastocyst, and which is stick to the wall of uterus. So the blastocyst is stick to the wall of uterus. It is known as the implantation. Then after implantation, it is embryogenesis. Embryogenesis means the development of embryo. Then after it is called the gestation. Gestation means it's a total period of pregnancy, means development of the baby. That is development of baby. Then it's a parturition. So parturition means it's a process of baby birth. Okay, when the baby comes out from the mother body through the vagina, it's called the parturition. And the last function is lactation. And lactation means it's a feeding to her baby. Means अपने बच्चे को जो दूध पिलाती है, that is known as the lactation. Okay, so the function of the male is the gametogenesis, insemination. Insemination means the male partner ejaculate the semen in the female reproductive tract. Female gametogenesis, formation of the gamete, फिर fertilization होगा female body में, फिर implantation होगा, जो fertilized zygote होगा वो blastocyst में convert होगा और वो यूट्रस की वॉल के साथ स्टिक हो जाएगा. फिर एम्ब्रियोजेनेसिस होगा, एम्ब्रियो डेवलप होगा, फिर होल प्रोसेस होगा, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द बेबी, दैट इज नोन एज जेस्टेशनल पीरियड, देन पार्चुरेशन, बेबी बर्थ, एंड लास्ट लैक्टेशन. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द human reproductive system, how they differ in the male and the female structurally and the functionally. Now in next video we will discuss the in detail about the male reproductive system. Thank you.